After a game of fetch, Enzo loves to jump in the pool and cool off. Jennifer says everyone should adopt their next best friend.
And you know we love videos. Look at this. That's Bo, the Akita puppy. He's 11 weeks old. He loves the water, even if it's only doing a game of chase in circles in a baby pool. It just looks like it never gets old. Thanks to Robin for sharing that video. Email your photos to ic@nbcdfw.com. Include your name, your pet's name, and tell us what's happening in the picture. And you can take a look at more photos and video in our